face. You're so happy. You're so happy. Oh no, so angry! Oh. Are you sad about the microwave? Do you regret your decision? Your sad face? Alright, now tell me, why do you love your microwave so much?
Because it's awesome, it heat it up when it's cold, and I like to have my leftovers when I for a restaurant we're going to. So I decided to put microwave and I started to eat like that.
And I love food so much.
2.
Your microwave skill is... Oh.
Action in 3. Oh, action, sorry, hit the camera.
Emma, so you're from Japan?
Yeah.
That's awesome. Maybe you can help me out with the videos. Oh, wait, video.
Sorry.
Emma, so you're from Japan?
Yeah.
That's awesome. Maybe you can help me out with this week video. Emma, so you're from Japan, right?
Yeah.
That's awesome. Maybe. So grab your. Whatever.
I'm sorry.
3. Ah.
Emma, what do you learn?
I learned that it's important to cover your food before heating up.
Microwave.
Nom nom nom.